on the spot. For the first time ever, kids, I am speechless. For the first time ever. Everyone always, all week, what are we doing? What is this about? And I had no clue. Usually I do have a little bit of a clue. But she told me absolutely nothing, obviously, and so everyone kept asking me what's going on. I'm like, I don't know. Well, this is why. I am shocked and super honored and very, very thankful. I love all of you, and this honestly is the best place to work, to be, to go to school. Kids, you're so lucky to go to this school. We are so lucky to be a part of this. I definitely do not deserve this, but I'm very, very thankful and honored, and I couldn't do it without all of you all and my team and my awesome sister, principal / boss, Miss Shoemate. Just super thankful. Like I said, I don't deserve it, but I'm very, very thankful and honored, and I greatly appreciate it.